Welcome back to my channel. In my hand you can see this is the latest smartphone, comes from Redmi 14 Pro Plus. This is 14 Pro and I also have 14 Pro Plus, and I have just bought 14 Pro Plus. This white color looking pretty nice. They have this textured color and I have just bought because they have launched this smartphone. Luckily I'm the lucky one that I'm able to buy this smartphone after just launch. So I'm going to do the full review of this Redmi 14 Pro Plus tomorrow, but today let me show you what are the differences in these Pro and Pro Plus and what colors they are offering. So just check it out. This is Redmi Note 14 Pro and 14 Pro Plus. They are offering two colors, this white and this very light green color with textures colors. On the back they are offering the plastic with glass. In Pro you can have two options, white and this purple, but purple color they are offering this vegan leather. This is vegan leather and this is just the normal one with the textures, looking pretty nice. Redmi. And what are the big differences in these two smartphones? Pro Plus is offering the faster charging and bigger battery than Pro, and the chipset they are offering bigger than Pro. I will show you everything in the Pro Plus video I have bought already in this Xiaomi store, and let me show you the display. The price they are offering very decent, 1699 RMB, which could be something around, I don't know right now, but you can see the screen. I have converted the price from Google and look at the screen. They are offering this curved screen, looking pretty nice. This, wow, very smooth. Let me show you the detail of the smartphone. The chipset they are offering in Pro is MediaTek 7300 Ultra, and the battery capacity is 5500. In Pro Plus they are offering the latest chipset, Snapdragon 3rd generation S7S, and 6200 mAh battery, 6.67 inches, the same size they are offering in both smartphone. Nice, right? Ooh. The price are very decent, so that's why I spent some money on Redmi 14 Pro Plus. So please wait for my full review, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. I paid the money. It's a beautiful night in Guangzhou, and with this beautiful night I'm going back to home with this smartphone, Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, and you will see the full review very soon. Okay guys, and in this box you will see a lot of things. Let me show you here. Maybe Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus I haven't unboxed because tomorrow morning I'm going to unbox, and they gave me these three products free of cost. This Type-C hand-free Xiaomi, and this free case of this smartphone, and this 10,000 mAh power bank.